Hey everyone! Welcome to HowTube. Tired of searching for best video? Don't worry, I've got you covered. The best video on how to make cake is in the description and pinned in the comment section. But hey, before you bounce, make sure to hit that like button and smash that subscribe button. Now let's break it down and figure out why I picked this video for you guys. It's got a whopping 44 million views. That's some serious love right there. Plus, the like-dislike ratio is a solid 98%, and it's got over 14,000 comments. All this within a span of 3 years. The video is around 10 minutes long. The creator expertises in preparing cakes. Links for all types of cakes are in the description, starting from vanilla sponge cake, Taiwanese castella cake, Swiss roll cake, chocolate cake, Black Forest eggless cake. These are the best videos in this category, so you can start preparing right away. My fellow knowledge seekers, peace out.